Hi, I wanted to do a quick Supergoop haul and also demo to show some of my new products I have already had, and how I use them and what they look like as a person with photosensitivity, putting on several layers of sunscreen. This is the packaging that it comes in. I'm going to give this sample to a friend. First, we have Play 50, which is sweat resistant with green algae. I use it for my body mostly. It has Takuma butter. Next, we have the Mineral Sheer Stick. I've never tried it in the stick form. I like the lotion form, so I look forward to trying this out and seeing how my skin likes having a sunscreen stick for the first time. I have the refill powder for the glow resetting powder that I will be attaching to a base that I already have. Mattescreen Daily Dose with bioretinol. There's the resetting top that I had that I put the glow on the bottom of it to save the brush, recycle, reuse, reduce. Unseen Screen. I'll show you guys how this looks on skin. It's new and it's pretty popular. I will be putting on 5 layers of sunscreen, starting with the Mineral Sheer Stick. First time trying this. The other version is pretty moisturizing, so I wanted to start this as my base. It's supposed to have a blurred finish, a soft focus finish. Obviously, it is not sheer going on my skin initially, but it does blend in pretty well. It has winter melon, which is an antioxidant rich in fatty acids, and silica powders to help absorb excess oils. And it's supposed to gently reflect light to blur the appearance of skin. It's a pretty comfortable formula. Of course, I have not put on enough to go out, but as a moisturizing base for someone with dry skin, I think it was a good base. And I wanted to see how it was for the very first time. This is my usual base, the Daily Dose Bioretinol. It is plant-based retinol, an alternative with mineral SPF, bakutriol, a peptide for rejuvenated, smoother looking skin. It's so hydrating, moisturizing. It goes in seamlessly on my skin and it feels really good. I think it's going to be really good in the drier months. I can't use a lot of it the way I probably would want to because it is so moisturizing, and I live in the South and it is very hot. Next, we have the Unseen Screen. It goes on very, very white, but if you work with it, it does blend in pretty well. I will say though, if you are trying to do more than one layer of this, it may not blend as well, but I do like it. It is slightly waterproof, scentless, weightless, red algae, frankincense, meadow foam. It is nourishing. Again, if you do put on this as a reapplication, it might look a little ghostly, but for a single application, I do like it. I have been using Mattescreen for a couple of years. It's a mineral mattifying tinted sunscreen that also doubles as a primer. It's supposed to blur the pores, smooth the appearance of the skin, reduce the visible effects of free radical damage. It has bamboo extract, skin conditioning polymers. It is good for the summer because it blends into my skin and it helps with the heat. And to finish off, I like to give a little razzle dazzle shimmer by using the glow resetting powder because it just looks pretty, and again it mattifies a little bit after putting on so much moisturizing sunscreen. And this is the 5th layer. After it sets for a few minutes, I'll come back and show the finished look. So here it is. I am dressed. I'm still going to wear a little bit more sun protection for my skin, a visor, and a sun protection mask and gloves. But it looks good in daylight and inside light. Thanks for watching.